Hey guys, my name's John Erickson, and what you're about to see is me doing my best 360 for you. The smell coming from the trash can earlier. Thank you so much for taking the trash out. Anything that you may have put in there that I wasn't aware of?
Oh yeah, it was shrimp. Yeah, sorry about that.
Because I came home today and I thought it might have been me. And I started, I was like, it's hot today. Maybe I was looking for dog poop somewhere. I was like, where is this smell coming from? And then my socks, my shoes, and then shrimp.
Yeah, it was a leftover from last night. I couldn't finish it, so I just dumped it in the trash can. Sorry again.
That was pretty impressive. I wasn't sure if you're trying to get back at me for something or.
No, man, of course not. I mean,